Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Redmi Buds 5. So begin by placing the buds back in their case. So open the case and place the buds, and then from here ensure that the case is not closed. Next, press on the side button until the indicator light flashes quickly. So once it starts flashing quickly, you'll now let go of the light and let the Redmi Buds 5 finish the factory reset. So all you need to do is press on the button for 10 seconds so you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then once it starts flashing quickly, you can now let your earbuds complete the factory reset. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.